Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Valorant on PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Valorant's official website. Then click the Play for Free button, then select PC. If you don't have a Riot Game account, click Create One and sign up. Otherwise, just click Sign In and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, click the Download button to get the installer file. After downloading, open the file and click Yes when prompted, then click Install to begin. You'll be asked to sign in again. Go ahead and log in, then complete any verification if needed. Make sure you're on the Valorant page. Then click Install and choose your install location if you want. Keep in mind that this will also install Riot Vanguard, which is required to run the game. Wait for everything to finish installing. Once done, you may be asked to reset your computer, then go ahead and do that. And after restarting, open Valorant and you're ready to play. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.